Several spices have antimicrobial properties and can help inhibit or kill bacteria. Here are some examples. Garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has strong antibacterial properties. It has been shown to be effective against various bacteria, including antibiotic-resistant strains. Ginger. Ginger has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It possesses antimicrobial activity against a wide range of bacteria and can help inhibit their growth. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is known for its sweet and warm flavor, but it also has antimicrobial properties. It can help fight against bacteria such as E. coli and Salmonella. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has potent antimicrobial properties. It has been studied for its effectiveness against various bacteria, including those responsible for foodborne illnesses. Oregano. Oregano contains compounds such as carvacrol and thymol, which have strong antimicrobial properties. It has been found to be effective against several bacteria, including antibiotic-resistant strains. Cloves. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which possesses antimicrobial properties. It has been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi. Thyme. Thyme is another spice that has antimicrobial properties. It contains thymol, which has been found to be effective against a variety of bacteria. It's important to note that while these spices have shown antimicrobial activity in laboratory studies, their effectiveness may vary in different conditions and concentrations. They should not be considered as a sole treatment for bacterial infections but can be used as part of a healthy diet and to complement proper hygiene practices and medical treatments.